Welcome to CIBSE Build2perform Live 2023. 2 full days of cutting-edge technical content and networking, uniting every facet of our industry, including research, practice, manufacturing and design. It serves as a catalyst for collaboration to forge connections across the industry and to share insights, ushering in the change necessary for buildings that are safe, sustainable and conducive to good health.
The UK Net Zero Carbon Building Standard is a cross-industry initiative to achieve a robust definition for net zero carbon buildings in the UK.
The safety case is not something that you are doing for the regulator. You maintain it for yourself. You implement it for yourself. It's your system for running your building.
We need a safer, a more efficient built environment for the future, and that means we need to collaborate more on how we're going to improve the existing urban environments.
CIBSE Build2perform Live is really important for meeting new people, learning about new products and getting as much CPD done in one day as you possibly can.
Loads and loads of people here, lots of really exciting stands, amazing talk, everyone learns something. I've already learned at least 2 things so far today.
This year's event has been amazing. Again, a very good mix of people from new suppliers to key decision makers in the industry.
This is the event for our industry. There isn't a greater event than this one, so yeah, it's been good to be part of it.